My favorite waterfall hikes in the Smoky Mountains. Check it out. So I hiked up here to Bear Creek Falls. It is absolutely gorgeous. The views, the water, it's just a perfect place to go swimming. Hey, I'm here in the Appalachian Mountains. I've got Ramsey Cascades behind me here. If you're vacationing in the Gatlinburg Pigeon Forge area, I want to show you some of my favorite waterfall hikes here in this region you're going to want to check out. Let's do it. So I'm headed up to Ramsey's Cascade. It's where two twin rivers run together to form what's supposed to be one of the most spectacular waterfall views in the Smoky Mountains. Ramsey Cascades offers one of the most spectacular waterfalls in the Smoky Mountains. But the trek arriving there can be very difficult and traverse. Though the trail begins as a fairly easy path, you're going to need to set aside an entire day for this hike. You don't want to rush through this one. Make sure you pack a lunch because you're going to burn tons of calories. This is a very strenuous hike. Though this trail offers an amazing destination, make sure you are up for the trip. Okay, so I just did the Laura Falls hike Waterfall Trail hike. It's difficulty level moderate. It's paved all the way. It's the most traveled hiking trail because it's the easiest accessible waterfall here in the area. It's only a 2.5 mile round trip hike, so it's definitely worth checking out. Well, that's all for me today. Thanks for watching. Look, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and hit the like button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for weekly updates. Remember, life is too short. Make sure you take time to travel, to explore, and to try new things. Make sure you take time to enjoy life. I'm Benjamin Boyd, and I'll see you on the next adventure.